I look a mess. This setup, what y'all about to see me do, is about to be a mess. But that's okay. What I'm about to do is unbox open Mac desktop. Whatever. But y'all about to see. And you know, with it being used, I don't want them, you know, blaming me or saying I did anything or whatever the case may be. Because if I gotta take Big Baby back, Big Baby going back on the shelf as another open box. Nora, are you strong enough to hand me the box? Like I said, don't judge me because I got some little booty shorts on under here, but we ain't about to show y'all all that.
Cause y'all don't deserve it.
What he said. First things first, Big Baby is huge. Like, I don't think this camera is really justifying move north so they can see like the whole circumference of this area. Y'all can't even like, bruh. Oops. Big Baby is huge. Big Baby is, she's giving flat screen TV. Okay. So now I'm finna unbox it.
Flat screen TV. Come on, pull your pants up.
I can't pull them up because that's how they made. Can y'all see? How you open this, Kamara? Slow.
Oh, mine's so big.
Huh? Stop, Yari. So here it is. It is packaged horrible. Y'all see this? It has no styrofoam on there, no nothing. Here it is, y'all. Here go my Big Baby. She's blue in the back. Okay, I'm about to give it a thorough inspection. Okay.
Stop. We just got me a straight snap crack.
I'm about to plug it up. Here go all my cords. You know what? What they probably did was swapped out the cords. They probably bought it so they can switch out the cords. I guarantee you that's what they did. I guarantee you they switched out this. They switched out everything.
But they did.
I gotta make sure this. I gotta make sure that the serial number match.
If it is
Mom, yeah, I don't know if y'all know this by now, y'all, but my mom assumes.
No, I was doing the same thing. Cause we don't know if someone's
No, you shouldn't assume.
Cause they said that someone stole afterwards. They got it and then they brought it back.
Cause this is dirty. This cord is dirty.
I told you.
This is stretched up. This is dirty.
Well, I told you.
How long did they have it?
They just said a year.
How long the person had it before they freaking returned the thing back? It look like they replaced everything. Let's see if the model numbers is the same. Let's see. 657.
And you going back on it.
Yeah, she did not.
See what I'm saying?
So are the model numbers supposed to match?
No.
Because this model number is not matching this model number. They're not matching. Their model numbers are not matching.
For some reason. Hold.
I don't like this little keyboard. I'm just telling you, like my kids is gonna mess with this, and if they mess with it, y'all know what a mama gonna do.
A bit.
A mama gonna go to town.
And that gonna go down.
I'm just trying to understand, y'all. I'm just trying to understand. Because, baby.
Come here.
I'm just trying to understand if a discount was really worth it.
Come on, Steven. I have to go.
Do you want to show the people what you got, Nancy?
Yeah, I'm trying to wait for my phone to charge so I can record it too.
What's supposed to be what doing?
You must say happy birthday. I'm surprised you remember it.
plug right there. Why you gotta be doing that? Bro, you got that
Cause I'm trying to get everything in order on my field. I'm like,
Oh my God, y'all already know back.
I know what I'm doing. I'm just doing
Stop with me, bear with me. Because the sister is trying not to get upset. Alright, so I just did the unboxing, y'all. As you can see, I gotta go and find me a computer table because this ain't it. This is not where it's gonna be sitting at, but it's gonna be sitting there for today. It's gonna be there today. I'm about to figure out what's all this about. I'm about to go ahead and just mess with it a little bit off the camera, and I'm gonna come back to the camera because y'all, something, my spider senses is going off and it's telling me to return it.
Yeah, I told you too, Mom.
So we're about to see if I want to return it. If I want to return it, I'm gonna return it. If I don't, I won't. But let me play with it some more, and I'll be back. Okay, peace.
What, Mom?